full gamut defense arts, and we're just going to work on countering kicks with kicks at the same time. Now you have to set this up. This is where it's like chess. You're doing a move and you're seeing what they're doing, and then you're reacting off of that move. So when I'm here and I'm throwing a lot of lead kicks, if he's answering back with that, I'm aware that he's doing that every time I kick. So he's here. So if he's here and he goes, I could cut kick underneath. So if Troy kicks high, and I notice he's throwing a lot of high kicks, cut kick. Notice how my head is out of the way of the kick. So just showing the low kick to high kick counter. If he's low kicking or mid kicking, I'm high kicking at the same time. So I'm watching for that. Say I'm kicking and he's answering. I want to try to kick my second kick at the same time. So we're here, I'm dropping, high kick. Now a lot of times, he's got great defense here. A lot of times people are going to be dropping everything when they do that.
Yeah.
So if I kick with my lead, we're here, same time. One more time. Here. Make sense? You want different levels, keeping your opponent guessing, but you're watching for tendencies and patterns.